Right, based on this feature, we have so many kinds, and we shall be looking at the different aspects of adverbs. Now, the exercise 1 is saying that read the instructions, and there are words which are adverbs, and you need to find out which adverb is this, and how many kinds of adverbs do we have? At least 7 kinds. 7 kinds. So, Puneet readily agreed to do the work, and it is written adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. So, readily represents the kind adverb of manner. Can anyone give me the reason how it is an adverb of manner? People from online. Kirti, how readily is an adverb of manner? I'm inviting online people.
Ma'am, because it's telling how the work has been done.
Which work has been going on, dear?
Ma'am, because he is telling that he has agreed to the work readily means he is ready for that. So this shows the manner.
Close, very close. Ravikant?
Ma'am, it is the manner of agreement for doing some work.
Why nobody is focusing on manner? Ma'am, adverb of manner highlight the mannerism. How that work is completed. So the work is going on of agreement. Somebody is getting agreed to someone. Yes. How? Unwillingly, happily, readily, quick. They did not show any delay, right? And now I would like to ask, so the question kind, ये question किस तरीके से फ्रेम हुआ है, आपको करना क्या है, ये क्लियर है? फिफ्थ वाला पार्ट बताओ आरव. फिफ्थ वाला पार्ट, what should be the answer? I can hardly wait for the winter vacation. What adverb? See how, where hardly is placed. I can hardly, after the auxiliary verb hardly. Hardly का यहाँ पे क्या मतलब है? मतलब वो अपनी दिक्कत बता रहा है. Hardly I go in library, ma'am. How can I stole the book? Rare chances, right? So degree बता रहा है. Okay. Now she swims better than me. Chetna Pathode. She swims better than me. What should be the adverb? बेटर किसके लिए यूज हुआ है?
It can be a verb of manner.
यस. ठीक है, कर लेंगे, आप ये एक्सरसाइज कर लेंगे, कोई दिक्कत? All right. Now degrees of comparison. Adverbs are positive, comparative, superlative. Now fast, faster, fastest. And then adverbs ending in ly form their comparative by adding more and their superlative by adding most. This we are already aware. Bravely, more bravely, most bravely. Some adverbs form their degrees of comparison in an irregular way. Their spelling undergoes change. A few examples are given here. So near, nearer, nearest, hard, harder, hardest. They are not taking ly. Pay attention on this. That is what has been highlighted. Cautiously, more cautiously, most cautiously, right? Any sentence with most cautiously. Any sentence. प्रशंसा. तुम खुद से कभी पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करती हो, ये बहुत खराब हालत है. तुम लोग के पास यही 5 साल है, तुम लोग जो भी अपनी पर्सनालिटी को बना लो, उसके बाद कॉलेज में कोई भाव भी नहीं देगा अगर ऐसे ही डम फेलो बन के बैठे रहोगे तो. यस, प्रशंसा. Most cautiously, can any sentence be framed? Cautious. Caution. Have you heard caution? Caution. Someone is on inspection. So be cautious. Right? So you have to take extra care of your move. right? So I read the examination paper most cautiously before started writing. है ना? We took care of the class discipline most cautiously as it was a inspection day. Am I clear? Now take the B exercise. 30 seconds to solve. ये लिखा है क्या उसमें? एलवाई लगने से मोर और मोस्ट लगाएंगे? जरा दोबारा पढ़ना तो. नहीं नहीं, सॉरी बोले तो कहानी खत्म होगी. तुम पढ़ो, तुम्हें समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं, तब बोलो. 30 seconds to solve B exercise and then I shall be inviting both the people. Clear है? महिमा परिदा क्लियर हुआ आपको? मैं बताती हूँ. ये आपका जो डीप सी डाइविंग है, आप थोड़ा इधर आ जाए किताब लेकर के. इतना डीप हो गया ये, मेरे ऊपर से चला गया. मैडम जैसे कि इसमें जो एग्जांपल है, आप पहले उसमें से आपको डाउट हो रहा है तो आप बताइए. तुम्हें यहाँ पे क्या कंफ्यूज कर रहा है? तुम जो लोग बोलते हो उसको छोड़ो, लोगों को तुम करेक्ट करोगे जब तुम्हारा कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ से क्लियर होगा. They indicate the intensity of an action. हाँ. An answer. They indicate the intensity. कितना intense काम हुआ? He almost fell asleep when the movie ended. है ना? He was feeling sleepy. तो तुरंत ही सो गया. उसने वेट नहीं किया. तो बहुत ज्यादा थका हुआ था. समझे? तो यहाँ पे डिग्री क्या थी? भाई थोड़े, if we are less tired, so we can put up, we can come, we can carry, we can do a cab, है ना? We will not like we will not be asleep in the car. We can take care of ourselves till I reach home. ठीक है? लेकिन यहाँ पे वो बहुत ज्यादा exhausted था, तो यहाँ पे I almost fell on the ground. ठीक है? मैं एकदम गिरने ही वाली थी.
What is the meaning of
गिर गई
intensity?
दो बार बहुत तेज क्लास में पेन हो रहा है मेरे.
Dictionary है तुम्हारे पास अधिष्ठात्री? Lovely. Go back. Get lost. Take help of your neighbors. Prince, आपके पास डिक्शनरी है? हाँ Prince,
Yes, ma'am.
please look up the word and let us know. Say, if I am taking auditions for some skit and you have to play the character of some villain, the script has been given to you, you have come for the audition, 2 minutes time for preparation, so you have glanced the dialogues and the emotion and the scene sequence, and the scene is such that you need to shout, yell. So I will expect you to total sink into the character, and you are quite behaving like, hey, what are you doing? You should do some rest. Hey, so there is no intensity in your feeling emotion. You should feel it. Then only you will be able to perform it and emote it. Am I clear? So यहाँ पे भी हम intense, बहुत ही intense था. Have you heard before this word? Maybe in different contexts. So actually it defines the degree. यहाँ पे जो बच्चा इमोशनल होके या उस सीन को नहीं समझ पा रहा है, तो वो कर तो रहा है, लेकिन उसमें वो बात नहीं आ पा रही है. सो वी आर आस्किंग हिम टू बी मोर पैशनेट. यस, जी जी जी. तो लेवल, मैंने क्या बोला कि उसने परफॉर्म तो किया, लेकिन वो इंटेंसिटी बहुत ही स्लाइट थी, उसे और हमें बढ़ाना होगा. यू चेंज द गियर्स ऑफ योर स्कूटी. Okay, do you speed it up? Do you give it acceleration? All right, so time up, say the answers. What should come in the second one? People of offline are saying more in the first blank and most in the second blank. All right, now third one. Yes. Efficiently, more efficiently, Correct. Correct. Last blank of the third one, most efficiently. Clear hai sabko? Any doubt? Very nice. Now, formation of adverbs. How does an adverb form? So, if there is a word, warm, right? It will become warmly. Warmly. Warmly nahi. ठीक है? Warmth. Lazy. Lazily. Then, yeah. Cheerful, cheerfully, happy, happily. Any words from your end? Say the root word and then add ly. Do correct. Rude, rudely. Any word, Poonam? How are you, Poonam? These hope, hopefully. This way, Khushi. Shout, shoutly. Nice, nicely. Love, lovely. Lazy. Crazy, crazily. लव नहीं करना है एक दिन में, थोड़ा बचा के रखो. All right. Any other word from people who are online? Tarana. Faithful, faithful, faithfully. Sincere, sincerely. Mustafizur Rahman. আমি তোমাকে মারবো.
I'm cowardly.
All right. Many I have received. Thank you so much. Now, one adverb for several words. So, Sita treated her in a kind manner. Sita treated her kindly. ठीक है? Preeta shouted at the beggar in anger. Preeta shouted at the beggar angrily. Now, 10 seconds to solve C. Time up. चलो चलो solve करो. C को solve करो. I'll ask you the answers. I'm not saying to say the answers loudly. Please don't do that. तो भाई आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, आप तो कुछ आया भी नहीं करते, पल्ले पड़ रहे हैं आपको, नहीं समझ में आएगा तो आप मेरी गर्दन पकड़ के झूल जाइएगा, जाने मत दीजिएगा मुझे. Okay, Sumit, you tell me the answer of sixth one. Sumit. Tarana, are you here? Then answer me the fourth one.
Ma'am, 6-1, the sports teacher.
हाँ. रिपीटिंग कैसे सही होगा? रिपीटिंगली दिल खुश कर देती है. रिपीटेडली.
Ma'am, repeatedly and regularly.
Repeatedly is the right one. You got it correctly. Yeah. Tarana. Nowhere to be found and seen. Huh? So the answer of fourth one. Presently. Clear? अदिति क्लियर है? आपका क्या नाम है? मैं भूल गई. आदित्य के पीछे दिव्यांश समझ में आ रहा है? 10th का आंसर बताओ दिव्यांश. 9 को बताओ. 9. क्या होगा आंसर? हाँ जी अजी थोड़ा जोर से बोले. बच्चे मेरे, विदाउट एन एंड की जगह हम क्या यूज करेंगे? कौन सा एडवर्ब बनाएंगे? एंडलेसली. ठीक है? विदाउट एन एंड आ गया ना इसमें, तो एंड में हमने ly ऐड किया और उससे भी पहले लेस आ गया, एंडलेस ली. ठीक है? कर दिया. भगवान तुम्हारा भला करे. All right, any doubt? Martina did her work in a responsible way. So we are talking about Martina. We are not talking about Kshitij. Martina, क्या आएगा Kshitij? इसका आंसर बताओ. Responsibly. ठीक है? Correct. So I shall tell 3 immediately, 4 presently, with hesitation, hesitantly, with hesitation चला जाएगा, hesitantly आएगा सिर्फ, ठीक है? Then again and again repeatedly. 7th, by hand. तो by hand कोई चीज तो manually हो गया है ना, manually. Then responsibly, then slowly. The old man walked slowly. Arab, so slowly होगा इसमें, very slowly नहीं, slowly. ठीक है? So he missed the train. क्योंकि देखो walked है, walk क्या हुआ, verb है, verb को adverb modify कर रहे हैं, है ना, तो उसमें वो slowly आएगा. The discussion will go on endlessly. Clear है?
Yes, ma'am.
Now D and E for homework. Alike exercises, you should give it a try. Not that tough. Say the third one will be temporarily. On a temporary basis, temporarily. ठीक है? Third one, D3. What should be the answer of first one? It's not a. It's not a. It's accurately. इंस्ट्रक्शन पढ़ लो भाई मेरे. तो आप डेफ बन के रहो ना, जो इंटरेस्ट ले रहे हैं उनको सुनने दो. नहीं आपका इंटरेस्ट सही नहीं है ना, आप क्वेश्चन भी नहीं पढ़ रहे, तो यहाँ पे नापी में तो हाथ ही नहीं रख सकती ना आपको. बदमाश. ऑलराइट, सो चलो पोजीशन ऑफ एडवर्ब्स पे आ जाओ. बुलेट पॉइंट्स. If the verbs are different forms of be, what is a be verb? Was, were, am, is, are. This collection is correct. This collection is be forms of verb. Any doubt? आगे पीछे निष्कर्ष मुस्तफी.
No, ma'am.
If there is an object, then the adverb is placed after the object. But if the object consists of many words, we usually put the adverb before the verb. Have a look. He signed the agreement readily. So here agreement is object and the adverb is following it. If the adverb modifies an adjective or adverb, it normally comes before it. देखो हम पोजीशन की बात कर रहे हैं, कहाँ कहाँ पोजीशन बिहाइंड प्रेफर की जाती है, कहाँ कहाँ आगे. Adverbs, she is very confident, so adjective is used for the girl about her confidence, so very is following before. Adverbs can be at the beginning, at the end, or in the middle of a sentence. She speaks well. Manner बता रहा है. Today I am going to the mall. I sometimes remember to fetch milk on time before the packets are sold off. Do you take packet milk or do you take the milk from the cow? Buffalo. Huh? Packet. Is it the cow one or the buffalo one? All are cows. Why do we people prefer cow over buffalo? If you know the answer, speak in English. This is the way you said. People. Okay, but you know, like what I have read, and it is a fact too that the cow milk contains more proteins and vitamins, and it is very thin in texture. जो आपका गाय का मिल्क होता है वो पतला होता है थोड़ा, है ना. तो अगर कभी आपको कोई इंजरी हो जाती है ना, तो लाइक दैट मिल्क इज यूजुअली सर्व्ड. ऑलराइट, विद सम हल्दी एंड मसाला. ऑलराइट, आई विश यू abundance of good health, but you should consume this kesar and this haldi milk on a regular basis. Do you do so? Or do you lagao cola in the morning, bear by the night? Yeah. All right. So, haldi mein hai healthy. New tag for a new brand. Okay. So let us move forward and Adverbs can be at the beginning, at the end. This I've read. Adverbs are placed before the verb if the verb consists of only one word. All right. She almost lost all her money. कौन गाने गा रहा है बैठ के पीछे? किसका मन नहीं लग रहा है? आपने तो उसे धमकी दे दी बहुत ही मोहब्बत भरे अंदाज में, और मैंने सुन भी नहीं। हाँ, उसके घर में मोटीन नहीं है, इसलिए वो यहाँ पे जलाता है। आओ मैं भी बताऊं कैसे जलते हैं। All right, so let's land on the exercise. पढ़ लो तुम लोग, कोई डाउट है तो पूछो। ठीक है? Exercise F, place the adverbs given in the brackets at appropriate positions. ठीक है? First one. Take your time, 10 seconds only. Correct. She often catches viral infection. All right. Syllabus over. Book खत्म. अरे गाय भैंस का तबेला बना दिया तुम लोगों ने। चुपचाप बैठो। All right. So she often catches viral infection. She generally does not take fizzy drinks. Only she can solve the problem. My mother usually goes for a walk in the mornings. The doctor is really concerned about the patient's failing health. And it's time. No, we have still minutes to go. Some special adverbs and their usage. मुझे पीछे एक मॉनिटर अपॉइंट करने की जरूरत है कि आप लोगों को ज्यादा लाइक चढ़ गई है। आप लोगों को मैं आ जाऊं? कुशल, अच्छा क्या क्या करते हैं ये लोग? बैठ के बस ये सब भी होता है? कैसे कैसे? डू द टीज गर्ल्स? तुम बस बताओ, उसके बाद देखो मेरा कमाल। और क्या? फ्लूक में नहीं। हाँ, क्या करते हैं? जैसे थोड़ी सी ग्राउंड रिपोर्ट करो ना, तब मुझे बताओ। नहीं तुम तो शरीफ हो, 1000 मरे होंगे तब तुम पैदा हुए। हाँ, अब क्या हुआ? अब वहां पे बदबू आ रही है। Yeah, just hang on for a minute. I'm just asking something very crucial regarding the class discipline, no? So that they may improvise it. I need not to give something in writing and something in, in this Valley Civilization script. तो देखिए आप लोग करिए, मस्ती करिए, लेकिन ये जब एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्री जब थोड़ा सा इंटेंसिटी बढ़ जाएगी तो फिर इनमें से किसी से कंप्लेन हो जाएगी और फिर आप लोग लगेंगे अलकायदा और पाकिस्तान वाले हमले करने, जो कि बेसलेस है, क्योंकि मैं आई एम दी आई विटनेस और आपके अभिषेक सर ऐसे ही आप लोगों पे फिदा है ना। तो आप लोग करिए, मैं भी जानती हूँ आप लोगों को पढ़ाई में मन नहीं लगता है, तो मुझे भी पढ़ाना है कि भाई हाँ सारे लोग शिप में रहे, वरना मेरा बस चले तो मैं तो आधों को तो जमीन ओशन में फेंक दूं, मेरा शिप चलता रहेगा, लाइफ जैकेट भी ना दूं मैं तो, है ना। तो थोड़ा हिसाब से करें। All right, so beginning with some special adverbs and their usage. Use of such and so, use of late, lately, hard, hardly. Right? She got late. She got late. Read it. Sumit, go for the reading. तो कह रहा था कि तो मैंने भी सुना था, सुनो ना आप
Mother told him to work hard. He worked hard, but hardly do well in his exam.
All right, so what have you understood? Can you tell us the part which you read?
That means some adverbs are same as the another adverbs. For example, that in the C1 or in the D1, there is hardly any food in the bowl, and it just means that there is very little food in the bowl. So the word hardly is equal to means it represents that it is very little food in the bowl.
ठीक है, go for the other examples quickly.
Okay.
So, like, mother told him to work hard. He worked hard, but he could hardly do well in his exam. Where, just look at the placement of hardly, hard, and what does it mean? Very little. And hardly do well in exam. So, what was the performance of the child? Did he do good? Hardly well का क्या मतलब हुआ?
Ma'am, hardly means
He did not perform well, in short.
yes, ma'am. He has not done very good in his exams.
Correct. So similarly, the other pairs are also awaiting such so. Right? I read such an interesting story. Such is used with noun. The story was so interesting. Now, here interesting is the adjective. Okay? What is the superlative degree of interesting? Prashansa? अरे ऐसे ही बोल दो बेटा. 208 सीढ़ियां चढ़ने को मैं चढ़ावा नहीं मांग रही हूँ, वहीं से बोलना है. बैठ जाओ. मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग. ठीक है. सो द वर्ड सो सच मेक द मीनिंग ऑफ एन एडजेक्टिव स्ट्रॉन्गर, है ना. नाउ द एडवर्ब क्वाइट मीन्स कंप्लीटली. क्वाइट मीन्स कंप्लीटली. The water in the pot is quite safe for drinking purpose, means there is no doubt. Yes, we can allow everyone to sip from this water. Now she is quite sure of winning the game of chess. There is no room left for the doubt or suspicion. Right? So quiet. And there is one more quiet. Spelling? T will go in the end, E will come before, and it becomes quiet. Silence. है ना? Now use of fairly rather. Fairly rather means moderately. In a customized way, हिसाब से. Fairly with hot, cold, slow. She spoke fairly. He wrote fairly. ठीक है. Cold, slow, fast suggests approval, but rather suggests disapproval. ठीक है. क्या डिफरेंस है दोनों में? फेयरली का मतलब क्या है? दोनों ही मॉडरेट को दिखा रहे हैं, दैट दे आर बीइंग moderate. The proportion is moderate, but rather is indicating the disapproval, and the other is not. The interiors of the house is fairly impressive, in a favorable way. You are appreciating. The cottage is rather shabby, so I would not prefer to stay in that cottage. I would look for another one. ठीक है. मुस्तफी का मन नहीं लग रहा है ना मुस्तफी. Now from the next point you will teach us. Come on the mic. Now we have the tea is rather cold. It's not hot anymore. The coffee is fairly hot. ठीक है, you can sip. ठीक है, clear? Any doubt? All right. So based on this, use of to. The word to implies some kinds of excess. Usually TOO is used more in the negative sense. Negation में ज़्यादा इसका use होता है ना? The Naman is too stubborn and refuses to listen to his brother. So this highlights the improving side, है ना? Where Naman can improve. This is not so good about Naman. He should not do. The shirt is too big for him. Size सही नहीं है. So negative चीजों के लिए to का हम use ज्यादा करते हैं. Clear? Enough. He is strong enough to cross the river. है ना? It indicates how much sufficient and positivity. It is placed after adjectives and adverb, but before nouns. He is strong enough to cross the road. She has enough pocket money to buy a new dress. Any doubt? What do you mean by implies? IMPLIES, इसका मतलब क्या होता है भाई? सेंटेंस में देखो ना.
Ma'am, what is the word? Please tell again.
Please tell again, ma'am. So the word is IMPLIES. Not an issue.
Any new law has been passed in the society, and it should be implied. And we have all the people, the government is saying that the laws implies from today onwards.
करेक्ट. सो यहाँ पे अधिष्ठात्री ने यूसेज बताया, और यूसेज से मीनिंग क्या निकल के आती है? डिनोट्स, सिग्निफाइज, इंडिकेट्स, है ना? This is all for today. Now homework for the day is exercise G. You have to read the part adverbs and adjectives. So in short, G, H, I, and the topic is over. Any question, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Thank you. That's all for the day.